standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in, just me, just you.
Hello guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end of it you'll want to hit that subscribe button.
That's what it says.
Okay, sorry. Alright, so my birthday is Sunday and I got myself an early birthday present. 3 of them actually.
Yeah,
so I had been dying to try Jaclyn Roxanne, the jewelry. So I've got a review for you guys. I'm going to show you how it was packaged because I'm wearing it. I was all about wearing it and trying this, so very excited. So let's talk about it. The way the packaging came, it was pretty neat. It was pretty standard. I do like the boxes. I like the little card in there, and it tells you how to take care of it, which is super important. But there's like main reasons why I actually like the 3 pieces that I got. They are pretty lightweight, except for the ring. The ring has some weight to it. This is her dome ring. I did get a size 8. And it fits the middle finger here, and I really like it. It's nice and shiny, but it's also not too much, you know what I mean? And it's in rhodium. The other 2 pieces I got in gold. The earrings, I don't like real heavy earrings. I actually have my first holes from when I got them pierced at 10 years old. One of the earrings I had kept getting caught on my pillow, so it ended up stretching it and I ended up having to get other piercings because I couldn't wear earrings in there anymore. But these earrings I do like. It's called the Biggie, and the clasps are like so easy, but they're so secure. That's the one thing I noticed about them that I really, really like. Okay, let's talk about this necklace. Now, it's really easy to get on and off. I will say that for sure. And I don't have to actually turn my necklace around. Watch now, I'll have an issue with it because I'm on camera. Yeah, go figure. Okay, I'm going to turn it around. You have the added chain right here. And then you've got the clasp. So you can actually make this as long or short as you want, pretty much. Here is the chain here. That's the additional lengths. The clasp is big. It's easy to do. Again, I don't have nails though, so it's easy. I don't know how it would be with nails. This is called the Infinity Link. I'll put the prices of everything on the screen. It is pretty lightweight, and if you wanted to do it as a choker, you could. You could actually stick the link right through here and shorten that up. That's what I love about it. So she really did take some time to, what's the word I'm looking for? Design these. And I am enjoying everything so far. Obviously, it tells you not to wear the jewelry, put lotions or perfumes on it, get it wet, stuff like that. So I'm going to be honest with you. I don't know how it will wear long term, but I can do an updated video. And this is what I got myself. I've been wanting it for a while. I started my channel because of Jaclyn. I started watching her in, I think it was 2017. But anyhow, so that's my thoughts on the jewelry. I hope that this helps you if you've been on the fence about getting it. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I will link her store down in the comments as well. And if you have any questions, put them there and I'll do my very best to answer them. So thank you for taking the time to watch this short video. I hope it helps you guys. If you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button. If you love unboxings, all things beauty, and tons of makeup, then you're going to want to stick around. Thank you. I'll see you guys real soon in another video.